Yo, what's up guys? Alright, so I'm going to show you a little bit about TopStep real quick and futures trading. So you want to go to TopStep.com, you'll set up your account. This is what it's going to look like when you get in here, when you set your actual account up, okay? You have your Combine, which is your real account, and then you have a practice account. We're going to activate the practice account. And then we're gonna launch TopStep.
This next product is perfect for you if you enjoy eating while driving.
Okay, so right up here, you see you're in the practice account.
Take this and try it out.
Okay. Now, here's your contracts. Basically, the money you're trading with, or the amount of money you're trading with. On the practice, you can go up to 50 contracts, which is 5 minis. Every 10, one is a micro, every 10 is a mini. We're going to trade with 20, just to see. Right here you have your contracts. You can do quick, you see it, change it, and you click it, or you can just manually type them in. I'm go back to 20. Right here you have your markets, what you're trading. You got the S&P 500, gold, heating oil, cattle, the Russell, micro Bitcoin, S&P, micro S&P, micro NASDAQ. You got the regular NASDAQ, silver. Like, there's a lot of stuff you can trade here. I like to trade on MNQ, which is micro NASDAQ, as you see right now. It's going a little wild. We have a 5-minute ticker set, so you can change this, which is just when your candles flop over. You got 1 minute, 30, and then it goes into hours and days. I like to play on 15 minutes. 5 minutes are okay too. 15 minutes is typically what you want to do. Okay, you see the difference in that. It's on an upward trend right now, but it's going a little squirrely. I might actually go back to 5. Just because pre-market it's a little, so you can see it was just red, now it's fighting for green over here. Here's your orders coming in, also over here you'll see people placing orders. Let's just do a order real quick and see what happens. So like I said, it's a little volatile, it's bouncing all around. We're going to buy in. We think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go up. I'm going to buy in right here.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. Now, green bar, we're making money. Now we're losing money. We're making money, right? Okay, you can move this green bar up to, let's say I think it's going to go to 601. Now, if I do that, it's immediately, as soon as it hits 601, it's going to take my profits. Look at that. We're going to close it. We're going to close it. We just made $65. Okay? Now, I could have rode that out. Look at that drop back that just happened, right? So, we're going to do another one. Let's buy market again, okay?
Order filled.
I think it's going to go up again. Now, reverse this, I can bring it down here to stop loss. Meaning if it goes below 89, it will automatically sell, and I won't lose any more money than $260, okay? That's a nice feature to use. Now, every time you trade, okay, let's go down here to trades, okay? You got profit and loss, 80. Now you have fees. It cost me $14. Look, we just got stomped out. It cost me $14.80 to exercise that option, okay? So remember that when you're taking profits, right? Because you don't get the full amount. You're going to be charged a fee on everything that you do, okay? Markets don't open until 8:30. So this is very volatile. This is very risky trading after hours, trading before the market happens. But that's the benefit of being on futures. You can do that. Now again, with that being said, very risky. You just seen how it popped down. I lost $230 that fast. And then it'll pop back up, right? We're going to buy right here. I think it's going to go back up. We're going to buy again, and we're going to wait and see. We're on the practice, so I am being a little bit crazy, and I'm just showing you guys, so I typically wouldn't do this. Also, we're at 8:12. We have our 5-minute ticker set. So that means in 3 minutes, this candle's going to roll over. Now, we do have a lot of green here, which makes me think it kind of still wants to keep going up. But it could flip in reverse, like it's doing right now. Look at that. Might flip in reverse and go down even farther. This is overnights, a very big drop. Like, look at that. 259 all the way down to 243 at one point, right? Now this is where it gets scary, holding positions, right? We locked in that long. Now it's just teetering right here. This is very dangerous. You can lose a lot of money being locked into a position for too long. Because, look, we're at 280 right now. If I just hold it, it could keep going down. Theoretically, it could keep going down. I don't have a stop loss set, right? I'm hoping that it's going to come back and we're going to make a little money. Look at that. See? This is what happens, right? This is why it's very dangerous to play futures pre-market unless you're really good. I'm not. I've only been doing this for 2 weeks, so I'm showing you guys the basics. I have a lot of friends that I've been trying to tell about this to get on and do it. And I wanted to show them an example, of how to trade on this app, I guess that's what it is, on this brokerage, I should say. Now, with that being said, while we're sitting here watching this, markets will start in 15 minutes, so we're going to hop over here in a second. On TopStep, you pay $50 a month for a combine. Now, the caveat is you have to make $3,000 before you lose $2,000 within 30 days. Now, if you do that, you go on to phase 2, which is where you have to make $200 a day for 5 consecutive days. Once you do that, you can withdraw your money every Friday. Now, for the first week, actually the first month, you can only take out 50% of what you make, but the other 50% stays in your account. It's not like it disappears, okay? Now, when you have 30 days of green trading, doesn't matter what the volume is, it could be $1, as long as you're in the green, you can access 100% of your profits every Friday up to $5,000 a week, okay? Very good deal. This is for people who don't have a ton of capital and want to play the markets, okay? So, I highly suggest it. I highly advise it. Do some research. Get in on this stuff, guys. It's pretty fun, pretty enjoyable. You can make some quick money. You can also lose some quick money. So be aware of that, right? It does take practice. Now, the other thing too with TopStep is you can have up to 5 accounts at one time. Which you would have to get them all through the combine. You would have to pay that $50. You would have to make $3,000. But you can copy and paste trades from one account to your other accounts. So let's say you have one account as your main. You have it linked to all 4 other ones. Okay, you make a $200 day or a $300 day. That now turns into $1,000 or $1,500. Right? It's very good, man. You can make a lot of money doing this if you're smart. Okay. And by smart, I mean mentally smart, because this is a mental game. Don't gamble. To the best of your ability, don't gamble, right? You want to kind of just play the markets. Like, look at that. We've been holding this entire time we've been talking, and it's starting to come back now. Hopefully we can get a rally above. But see, that's the thing with doing this. It could have not worked out. It still might not work out. I should have maybe cut my losses up here to 88 and then shorted it, right? Then we would have reduced the amount that we're losing here, and then we could have caught this swing back down. That's realistically what I should have done. Don't be afraid to lose profits if you can make some more, okay? Also, if you've made profits, don't be afraid to cut a position and lose some of those profits so that you don't lose it all. But yeah, guys, this is the basics of TopStep. Like I said, there's this practice account. You can get on here, you can play around. I'm going to close this out, and I'm going to get ready for market open. I'm going to hop in Discord. And this video below, I will link TopStep, and I will link the Discord we use to trade on. I will catch y'all later if you're interested too in this. I did the latest podcast. We talked about this a little bit. We went into depth. I will catch you guys later.